I'm here at the Uniview booth at InfoComm Asia. You've got a very large presence at the show. Talk to me a little bit about why Southeast Asia and Asia Pacific is so important to Uniview.
Okay, thanks for your question. Before coming to Thailand, I visited Malaysia, Singapore, and Indonesia. I noticed that Southeast Asia display markets have many display screens. You see them everywhere. You see them along highways,
Yep.
inside and outside buildings. They clearly show Southeast Asia display market is a huge market and full of opportunities.
Yeah.
So this way, Southeast display market is the most important market for Uniview. Thank you.
Yeah, I agree with you. There are a lot of displays everywhere, and the integrators who deploy these displays, they face a lot of challenges. There are fractured vendor multi-platform deployments. They have problems controlling these deployments. How can Uniview help them?
At InfoComm Asia this year, Uniview brought 4 lamp-up of our display and display control products, including LED, LCD, digital signage system, and smart conference solutions. At Uniview, we don't see display as stand-alone hardware. We see them as a complete solutions. We provide end-to-end solution, connect different terminals and platforms. Thank you.
Yeah, that sounds great. And I also know that AI is a very core part of Uniview products. Can you tell me how AI helps applications such as control rooms, command centers, digital signage, retail?
You know, AI is the hottest technology right now. When we combine AI with display technology for Uniview, let me show you some examples. First, our self-developed imaging AI technology make upgrade screens more clear and more colors. Second, we combine LiDAR sensors with display. It can pipe down screen with no people around, cutting energy use and building ECO-friendly digital space. Third, we embed large language models into smart display whiteboards to ASI in real time and create meeting minutes.
Yep.
Moving forward, we are keeping exploring more integration between AI and displays, and more solutions for Asia customers. Thank you. Okay.
Yep, that sounds great. I hope, of course, AI is going to do a lot more in the future, and we look forward to seeing what happens with Uniview. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.